Hello my friends, welcome to Card Sketch Saturday on Cardz TV. This is Mary and I've got sketch number 44 for you. Now I've got all the measurements on here and you can make this exactly as you see it or you can change it up any way you want to. Just make it your own. You can go over to my blog and get all 44 sketches if you want to. They're all free to download. And my blog is cardstv.blogspot.com. Okay guys, take a look at this sketch. We've got a card base which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I've got a white one. Our mat is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and I've got one in this kind of a turquoise and white polka dot. Now I back all my pattern paper with a solid color, and it's just 1/8 of an inch all around, and I'm going to get that put down right there. Then we see we've got a border back here. This border is 2 1/4 by 3 1/2, and this is some cute striped paper. I've also backed this with some black just like the first mat. This is going to go down right in the center. This card doesn't have many pieces at all, but it turns out really cute. I'm making this for my little great-grandson, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Now, our next mat is 2 by 3 1/2, and it's also been backed, and that goes right in the center. Now, I'm going to grab my glue and get all these adhered to my card base. That is so colorful. He's going to love it. He's only 2. So he's going to love all these bright colors. Now we look at the sketch and we see we have a 1-inch circle, and this is for your sentiment mat. This is 3 1/4 by 1 1/2. Now I did not use these exact measurements for my sentiment mat. I used this punch. I think this is a Stampin' Up punch, and I'm not even sure what size this is, but it's close to being, I'll say this is 1 3/4, probably by 1/2 an inch. And I put your Dino-Mite on there because I'm going to put a dinosaur on here. He absolutely loves dinosaurs. And this little dinosaur came from Create a Critter, and his mom and dad tell me that this looks exactly like one of the little dinosaurs that he watches on a little cartoon on TV. So I knew he would love this card. Now I've got my little dinosaur on some foam tape. I've got my sentiment. Now for the circle, I wanted to add just a little pop of red. So I just cut a 1-inch red circle. I'm going to put that down right here. I'm going to move mine down a little bit because I've got this cute little dinosaur to go on here. Then I'm going to put the sentiment right about there, and that will give me room to put my little dinosaur on. So I'll go ahead and get this down, and we'll come back and take a look at this finished card using sketch number 44. Here's the finished card, and didn't it turn out cute? I think he's going to love it. Now it would have been fun to put him on an action wobble, but I don't have any right now, and I didn't have time to make one. So I think he'll like it this way anyhow, popped up on some foam tape. Now I know you're going to ask me, where did I find the dinosaur in Create a Critter? He's on page 51, and I cut all of his pieces out at 2 1/2 inches. The bottom is black, then I cut a green layer, then a blue layer. This is his light blue tummy, and I came down here and cut the shadow out of white, all at 2 1/2 inches. So there we have it, guys. A cute little card made using Cardz TV sketch number 44. Don't forget to go over and pick up all your sketches now, guys. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for coming by and spending time with me today. I love you all. God bless you all. And I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.